Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser switch in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dispenser switch. The dispenser switch is located inside the left French door beyond the dispenser cover. When the lever is pushed, the dispenser switch initiates ice or water dispensing. If nothing happens when the dispenser lever is pushed, it's time to check the dispenser switch and replace it if needed. The dispenser switch is located behind this pedal. So we're going to grab it at the bottom, push it to the left side and lift it out. Then slide it to the right and we can take out this so to expose the switch right there. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove that screw on the top of the switch and the switch will come out. Pull off the disconnect wires from the switch and now we can install a new one in. This is the old dispenser switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install the new switch in. Let's connect the wires. And I'm going to place this hole on this little post here. Throw the wires under this plate. And we're going to secure that switch on the top with one Phillips screw. Tack in the wires. I'm going to install the pedal on. You see this two little shafts, and they will go into these two hinges on the side. And we're going to install first the left side. And there's two hooks here. Will be going over these two cutouts here. So I'm going to start with placing the left side in. The hook goes over that. And we'll push it down. And then to the left. Allow this left side to get into the hinge. And then and lifting the right side over that hook, push it down and press it in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.